Welcome to this Max Taylor Design online services tutorial for myBrand. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make the most of your branding assets and guidelines in one convenient place. Whether you're a tech whiz or need a helping hand, I'll guide you through the process with ease. First things first, let's get started. Open up your web browser and visit the myBrand website. It's super easy and there's no login required. Just type in the URL and you're good to go. Alternatively, you can find the link to myBrand in the client portal or from Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Teams if you have access to that. Great, once you're on the myBrand homepage, you'll see a list of available organisations. Simply click on your organisation's name to get started. Now, let's explore the incredible features of myBrand. It's organised into different sections, which might include introduction, logo, colour, typography, and graphical assets. I've got your brand covered from every angle. The introduction section provides you with an overview of your brand. You may find details like a brief history, mission statement, and core values, along with a handy FAQ section. It will also most likely contain your brand guideline document, and it's a great place to get reacquainted with your brand. In the logo section, you can download your logo in various formats. I've got you covered for all your logo needs, whether it's for print, web, or even presentations. Next up is the colour section. Here you'll find your brand's colour palette, complete with colour codes and suggested usage. Perfect for keeping your visuals consistent and on brand. You will find each brand colour along with its corresponding hex, RGB, and nearest Pantone and CMYK equivalent code. Typography is crucial to any brand, and in the typography section, you will find your brand's approved fonts and styles. Here you can find downloads, links, and other information about the fonts. And lastly, graphical assets is where you'll find various elements, patterns, or images that define your brand's identity. Use these to add that extra touch of personality to your project. And there you have it, myBrand is your go-to resource for all things branding. Feel free to explore, download, and use your brand assets with confidence. I'm here to make your branding journey as smooth as possible. If you have any questions or need help, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for choosing my services, and I look forward to seeing your brand in action.